and Proposition 8 are discriminatory laws. We believe that marriage is love. We believe that it is unconstitutional to deny Americans of their civil rights. We believe that lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer, and questioning Americans are our brothers and sisters, and they deserve full protection under the law, especially the right to marry the person they love. My name is Johanna Durazzi. I am a Justice League member here at Montclair State's LGBT Center. I am an ally because of a very important lesson that I learned when I was in kindergarten. Treat others the way you wish to be treated. Yeah. In kindergarten, it's easy to remember this lesson. Kindergartners will share their crayons, play with each other on the playground, not think twice about holding hands. Race and color is meaningless. As long as you are kind to others, others will be kind to you. It's a sad fact that the older we get, the harder it is to remember that kindergarten lesson. When laws are put in place that specifically prevents one group of citizens from doing something that everyone else can do, that is discrimination. The Defense of Marriage Act has been allowing the federal government to condone discrimination since 1996. When the federal government grants benefits to the partners of American soldiers unless they are gay, that is discrimination. When the Constitution allows for states to determine what is or is not a marriage unless the two partners are gay, that is discrimination. When the Constitution says full faith and credit shall be given in each state to the public acts, records, and judicial proceedings of every other state, and the federal government says unless they are respecting a relationship of persons of the same sex, that is discrimination. My name is Johanna Durazzi, and I've always been proud to be an American. I am proud of our diversity, I'm proud of our opportunity, and I'm proud of our freedom. When we enact laws that target a minority, we are not staying true to our American values. In 2008, 52% of California voters voted in favor of Proposition 8 to take away the right to marry from lesbian and gay Californians that were already given the equality that they deserve. It's time for the Supreme Court of the United States to ensure that every American is safe from getting their rights taken away. Hear us, SCOTUS!
Hear us, SCOTUS!
Hear us, SCOTUS!
Hear us, SCOTUS!
I have always been proud to be an American. I am still proud to be an American. But I want to be able to say that without any hesitation. I want to be able to say that I'm proud to be an American because we stand for what we say we do. Liberty and justice for all. Woo! When I look to my mother and father, I see the true definition of love. I see that same love when I see that Brian has set his desktop background to a picture of Tom's face so that he can see him when he's away at work. This is the same love that I see between Heather and Tracy when they sit simply down on their sofa and talk about their day. This love is the most powerful thing on this planet. This love is what puts Harvey Milk in office. Love is what caused people of Stonewall to fight back in 1969. Love is the repeal of Don't Ask, Don't Tell. Love is states like Connecticut, Iowa, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, New York, Vermont, Washington, and Washington, D.C., realizing that love doesn't only exist between a man and a woman. I look out at all of you today, and I see the true definition of love. Whether you yourself are LGBT or you are an ally, you are here because of love. We all know and understand that we need to be here for our brothers and sisters. They deserve equality, they deserve freedom, and they deserve equal protection under the law. They deserve the right to express their love with a federally recognized marriage license if they wish to do so. I want to believe that the Supreme Court of the United States will have the best interest of Americans in mind. When they decide the fate of DOMA and Proposition 8, I want to believe that they will listen to what we are saying and see how cruel and wrong these two laws are. I want to believe that we really do mean it when we say liberty and justice for all. And I want to believe that they will rule on the side of love and not hate. If the Supreme Court of the United States only takes one thing away from this, I hope it's a lesson that they learned in kindergarten. I hope that they treat everyone the way they want to be treated, with love. Thank you.
Woo!